Yo, happy Wednesday, people. Here we go, move of the week. Scissor me this, scissor me that. Bam, bam. Alright, let's jump on in. Come down to your footwork position, legs wide, hands turned out on the balls of the hands. Position 1, one leg steps through. Position 2, same thing but hands in the stab position. Position 3, we lift off the top foot. Position 4, both feet off the ground, and we switch from side to side. That's it. Scissor me this, scissor me that. Another view from the side. Notice what I'm doing with the supporting hand. You can play with this and make it how you like. Some variations make it harder, some make it easier. Side view. You never know when you're going to get famous. I bet this guy didn't expect to be on YouTube. Happy practice.